Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Proof of Memes token. Ticker symbol is ETH2.0. This token's actually up 31.9% today according to CoinGecko. It actually just got listed on CoinGecko just yesterday. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Proof of Memes. So like I said, it's up 31.9% today. Proofofmemes.org is their official webpage. They also have a Twitter, Telegram, Medium listed on CoinGecko, price chart, contract address. Their Etherscan is on here. So according to their Etherscan, they have 204 holders so far, 2,770 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 1 trillion tokens. So there is a warning on CoinGecko that everybody should be aware of here. It says the following token has a variable tax function in the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you are trading this token. So definitely be aware of that. Make sure you thoroughly investigate this token before even thinking about researching it, and then investigate before research, and then do your own research again, and then investigate it, and then before you even think about buying it. All right, that's a lot of research. Okay, so this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you'd simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the Proof of Memes token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko or their Etherscan on CoinGecko or proofofmemes.org. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you might have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. And also just be aware there is going to be network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off Uniswap. So it says Proof of Memes, the Ring of Forks. Proof of Memes, aka, the King of Forks, it says. Sorry, this is weird writing on here. Proof of Memes, aka the King of ETH Forks, is an ERC20 token that launched to gain support in the meme-based community. ETH Proof of Work Hard Fork. In other words, buying this token is the same as buying our up-and-coming ETH Fork. We aim to create an ecosystem of in-house projects that guide degen traders to make safer decisions when trading on our blockchain. So it says buy on Uniswap, join the Telegram, check Etherscan, view the chart. So they have a DEX tools chart as well on here along with the CoinGecko chart now. It says tokenomics, 1 trillion total supply. Max supply is also 1 trillion. 4% buy tax and sell tax is 8%. Doesn't even tell you what it's for, which is crazy. And then it says locked liquidity is 100%. And then it says 30% of the tokens are burned so far. So about Proof of Memes, it says development. We pride our goal in launching a safe ETH fork for our holders so they can mine. We will support our blockchain projects with safe in-house tools. Community, our success will be granted by a strong community that desires a meme blockchain. So it says inclusion. Upon the launch of our ETH fork, we will airdrop all meme coin communities, both large and small, a Proof of Memes coin. So just one coin, I guess, just for promotion. So proof of work, unlike our predecessors, we are willing to acknowledge ETH volume is driven by a society of the gens. With this being said, we are going to launch an ETH2.0 fork in order to maintain our decentralized balance. Brute force marketing. The marketing team is using all tactics necessary to raise awareness for our community and keep our story at large. And massive potential. Given the core utility of the project, many crypto enthusiasts will command our project to go to the moon. Now, roadmap so far, they've done website launch in phase 1, initial marketing, giveaways, launch contract creation, and launch on Uniswap. And then they also just got a CoinGecko listing, which isn't checked off yet. So what they haven't done yet is 2,000 Telegram members, coin market cap listing, develop the ETH fork. Then phase 2 is going to be expand blockchain development team, launch ETH fork, first exchange listing, expand marketing team, additional partnerships. And then phase 3 is going to be meme scan, 10,000 holders, additional exchange listings, press releases, 25,000 Telegram members, and a meme swap. And then in December, the last phase here is going to be additional partnerships and sponsorships, expand social following, advertising campaign, and website overhaul. So there is a step-by-step video how to buy if you need to follow that on their webpage. They also have a Telegram and a Twitter. If you want to find their Telegram, it is at Proof of Memes. If you want to find their Twitter, it is also at Proof of Memes. For some reason that took me to the wrong page there. Oh, they also have a Medium that you could check out. They have articles. So on their Twitter, they only have 185 followers so far. They did just join in September 2022 though, so it's very brand new. Only 42 tweets so far. So it said their pinned tweet here, it says about the project, Proof of Memes is here to take over the DeFi world. Our stealth launch on the ETH chain will provide us with the funding to accomplish the impossible. Unlike our predecessors, we are willing to acknowledge ETH volume is driven by society 1 to 3. So let's see here. It says Proof of Memes POM blockchain tokenomics. 1 billion POM tokens will be pre-mined. 50% of these pre-mined tokens will be allocated to holders of our current ETH2.0 ERC20 token. That means the ETH2.0 holders will own 50% of the POM blockchain at launch. Yeah, so it says the exchange listings will allow the token itself to build liquidity and value. We will then bridge this token to our own blockchain and continue to trade from there. So there you go. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you guys check out all those referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.